Today, the topic we are going to discuss is a search under the Income Tax Act. What are the relevant sections and rules related to this search? Section 132 of Income Tax Act and Rule 112 of Income Tax Rules and certain provisions related to search and seizure of CRPC will apply to this search. Who can issue the search warrant? There are 12 number of officers authorized to issue the search warrant. At the same time, the underlying officer can issue a warrant only if they are specifically empowered by the board. What are the essential ingredients for issuing the search warrant? There must be information in possession. In consequence to the information, if those officers have a reason to believe that any summons or notice issued, they fail to produce any documents, bullion, jewelry or something, or even though if the summons has been issued, they will not or would not produce those documents or any money, bullion, jewelry or in the not submitted in their returns. Who can authorize to search? There are 9 set of officers has been authorized to conduct the search. What the officials can do during the search? Those officials can enter or search any building, place, vessel, vehicle or aircraft wherever they have a reason to suspect that any books of accounts or other documents, money, bullion, jewelry are kept. They may break open any locked door, box, locker or almirah if the keys were not available. They may search any person who have secreted all those documents. They may recover any person who has keep all the documents in the electronic form. They may seize any books of accounts, documents, money, bullion, jewelry or other things. At the same time, if those documents or money, bullion, jewelry or their stock in trade in their business, they cannot seize those documents. At the same time, they can make a prohibitory order if they are unable to take in their possession. They may place mark or identification of the books of accounts or other documents. They may make a note of inventory of all those documents or valuable things. Whether the search warrant can be exercised outside the jurisdiction? Yes. If the building, vessel, vehicle or something is not within their jurisdiction, if they have a reason to believe that getting search warrant may defeat the purpose, they may issue a search, they may conduct a search warrant. Whether the reason to believe or available to the assessee? No, it shall not be available to any person. At the same time, it will available only to High Court and Supreme Court, since there is a restriction of that. Can a search can be conducted in the premises other than the premises mentioned in the warrant? Yes, of course, they can conduct the search in any place or premises, vehicle or aircraft if they suspect that those books of accounts or other valuable things are kept in that premises. And moreover, getting warrant will defeat the purpose. At the same time, is there the reason to suspect can available to the person? No, it will not available up to the appellate tribunal. The general powers of the officers who conduct the search. They may take assistance of any police officer or any other officers of the central government or both. They may issue prohibitory order, including their bank accounts, receivables. At the same time, such order cannot be exceed 60 days. They may examine any person on oath. It not only requires that related to this search, they may related to any search or any proceedings under the Income Tax Act. They may presume that the books of accounts belongs to the person. The officers can retain the books of accounts only for 30 days from the date of assessment order. The officer may allow to take copies. The officers who has no jurisdiction to hand over the file to the jurisdictional officer within 60 days. The officer within the period of 16 days, they may issue the attachment order with the permission from the higher-ups. The officers may refer the matter into valuation officer within 60 days and those valuation officer also give their valuation within 60 days. Then next, what are the parameters to be followed by the officers while conducting the search? Search warrant must be in written form with the signature and seal of the issuing authority. It should be shown on demand. If the searched person is a woman, she should be searched by another woman officer with a strict regard to decency. The search shall be conducted in the presence of 2 or more respectable inhabitants of the locality. List of things seized shall be signed by the witnesses. The sealed package is required to be opened in the presence of the 2 witnesses. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the channel.